Welcome to Richard F. O'Brien Hall. This hall, just like the others, has shared bathrooms, free laundry facilities, and study spaces within the building. Let's go check it out. O'Brien is home to around 100 students. Inside, you'll find single and double rooms across both floors that are also split between gender. Welcome to the first floor of O'Brien. Let's go check out a double in room 8. In here, we're going to have 2 slightly lofted twin XL beds with a set of drawers under each bed. We'll also have 2 desks and chairs for each student and a wardrobe, including a hanging rack and drawers as well. Here's a quick peek of the laundry room located on the first floor. And now we've made it to the O'Brien bathroom. There's another bathroom that looks identical to this right upstairs. They're going to have sinks, multiple stalls and restrooms, in addition to 6 showers. Before you go, here's a couple quick things to know about all of Menlo College's residence halls. Each hall is supervised by a team of professional residential life staff and student RAs who are here to support you, whether it's about housing needs, your academics, personal growth, or just navigating campus life in general. RAs are also on call after hours for anything from helping with roommate conflicts to checking in on student well-being. And to keep everyone safe, RAs do routine health and safety checks throughout the year. Just to recap, every room comes with furniture including a twin XL bed, desk, chair, and dresser or wardrobe for each student. You'll need to bring your own bedding, and we recommend extras like a lamp, alarm clock, and trash can. You're also more than welcome and encouraged to decorate and bring things like a mini fridge, microwave, and TV. Just be sure to follow our approved appliance list for safety. Talking about roommates, room assignments for new students will go out prior to move-in, and you'll get all the details in your email or through your MyMenlo account. Thank you so much for coming along this tour with me. Please like and comment below, and if you want to see any more videos about residence hall tours, campus tours, or just more about Menlo, be sure to subscribe and follow us. Bye!